people lies num chang.
Hello, nan dam chion hamo kahin lung tlang nan kut kan vin tlai than na pathian atha nin ni zonga khatleya ko ramle vun chimachin salak le ralaka le kahin North America le vun chimachin weekend zan ha zong he ben tukin chan tha kan vun hu than khom he boy pa tha timiti kha vun chim gadu e tu zana kahin bia kan vun ro mi cho uvan asitela e Burma Advocacy Group in chunga rian tuen mi ase kahen usiang he avun dam deuh lo cha silo le rentela alung bun mit deuh cha khan kema tu sila kalak na tangka tom tom huna nan ron so se chen update tu kha vun kan tu pi tela ti kha ka vun sim du mi kha selo chen kahan chen chen ne akalaka avun bom chi tela ti kha kan tham thok na ba tu kan vun sim la e atulio te he kan ni Hakha rungtlang so Hakha CDF happy tlai da un thong au mi kan skau cha kan ni Hakha CDF he za pi ni bun thai ok ding update bun tu ok ngai kan nei lo media thong thang kan bun mi te cha u mi kha jong kha tadin sa shinlim pui kan tilai ma sa la zain tilai lai hol bun sim jong kha bun laklo tadin sa shinlim pui kha bun tu lem lo cha khaban tu te kha hlei lo cha khan chutuk in update kan nei lo ka hin kan diary Hakha na achung tin ha tia kan CDF Hakha CDF kan da ka pol an chol chang ko din lo ten an thu dia ko ti mi te kha update ban tukin bun kalusila ka hin atu zan he pathum long kan se ka bun sim ton mi chu kai cha kan tlom deuh a khan chen zai tin da ka chim te se chen ashim shima online kan chutti ka hen mai phu tau pa e bia e ruwa ban tukin zalong ten chim na serial na sitikha ka chim ton mi se chu cha chen zalong te tuin birwa na kan nei la e kai ma kha hal tu ban tu kalau nan hal jong ka thiam hlai lo ka hen kan uwan ni khan ama ne aseram ninga bun thot thoma la akal lak tu e avun chim mi tu khan zain tla bun hal chap ding mina kan bun nge si chen kan bun chim chi te la ti kha bun sisalo ka han uwan nang ma tu ka bun som sol ko la e I thai tar nak la nang mani te kau nang ma e mi pinian thai ok tha ding mi kan hu la ya kan na nu te in via rungtlang kan som chem ma mi kha lai hole nang man na siaram ning ten bun into via I thai ta na tu ati mi hamara hol ka bun chim chem mam cha avai bun di mera hol bun chim se toy te na khan e ma kha chim du mi cha lai hol bak khan than lai hol chim ka du mi ha translate ka thiam to ka tu chem kan lo e nang ma tu ni khan na siaram ning te khan I thai tar nak chen khavial te kha bun I tu adin ka bun som wa
Sisa. Kanilom, Karalop, thank you. Khát là các chân bồi pa pathian thằng chắt giảm thạc kan bek kan ni hi mi van tha tak kan se rein hi US mi hi so mi van tha tak e ka long pan hi na ka chân to our heroes pumi bek pu is the highest sacrifice for the country and for the people. Liam chang tu kan hero za kan upat na kan pe chân hi rung tlang you guys are doing great. It's you know ki the meeting pakat ni tutega ken you know it's emotion and dedication and zai look afiang alang ti mi ki afiang. It's the guys in Rung Tlang Zong Kha. It's you guys doing a great job. Quite Chen Zong he can now this go on, family is go on. It's I respect him a lot. So he's doing great. Tlang bị số cái số van liền kiêu lại tlang chân van liền cái gì mi hốt chuộc đâu Zong khi cái gì Hakha khăn cung khát lòng có tlang huna kan tang riat tiang ka kai ma chen tang riat kan tang kwa ka Hakha Hakha zong ki ka thiam lo te ko se la zo ko hol zo lo la ten my heart's always there. I'm a Hakha Zokwa, yeah, so the heart's always there. Thank you, Kanilom. Atlang Pitsun, Ika Patien Lamtroy Nakin Kapa, Lamtroy Nakin Moke Maxilawan Kapa, 1979 Kanikan Kanpan, Georgia Karapan, Gayka Tangkwan Karak Hockey. Maliwa kan Druid Hills High School timi high school akan angan pa Atlanta kan angan pa natin maliwa kan there was only 2 Asians came out le pakat pa from Korea macam maliwa kan ki English second language song ka arkom rilaw so they got an instructor ka different county and hey laki kan came out and kahoy to sell Korean baza for years actually for 2-3 years. Matikan kan raksi. Itu so hitin mi pi tikan alami or mi kan di laktampi kan musang tiga kan it's terrific. It's great. Came out zong ki they see lai pung den ha lai ruot nak den ha ke kumplay tum in kin hikan pan I didn't get to taste of that, I didn't really get to taste of the beauty and so natin to he way tum lai tang pan tan sang way li sorry way li so it's really good so I really miss it really miss it kani kan lun tika chen Renguna kan Islam pun zaukuah kan si semua kan ngak lewa kan so every time we go home it's always ki kota fa to go settle it's very simple stuff we had cows, pigs, dog, cat and that kind of thing so that simple life simple meaningful life one of the things that's always stuck in my mind is kan ngak chialewa can lai pachang tha that thinking the thinking is straight, the thinking is pure, the thing is dedication that thinking lai pachang tha ti mi ke and kan karak thaiton kumlai tuma kan bara now 30 40 50 years almost 50 years later I have a chance to actually talk to people that I think that like and so it's really good Malio bio lay at ma kasi set law patien lam phoi na kan tu it's okay so construction commercial construction lay akan kakal kan nu hi minge di mai biak sui kieu si German lay na si Falampeng apa hi pastra si Pha Pathum van van kum thai li van la si kum thai ni van tin kum ra pa nu pa ti khan patien eng so na kan pe hi anu hi tu hi ani hi siang in huami Pha Pathum nuwa tu hi siang in pe tan she's working on master is Emory University si to he kum khatlak si and so she's busy she's busy so yeah so we are blessed we know we are blessed and kasi se lo whatsin kan to liu mi ka bun pe chi lai mo
pe chi kau la ta Burma advocacy na thut dia ning la nan chol chol ni jong kha bun kan chim chi lo akala
se okay
chen jong game jong kum me
se
detail down take and do min ham kan chen kam vin hal chap la
se
off topic jong kha akal kan vun kal
ta that's terrific yes terrific ta interruption ka to ko si chen mo sao tuk for lai che lo chen okay the background when kal se lo ke hi atang bi chen I'm not a politician I don't know anything about politics really in that sense ki isikal ma ki about a year ago about April May of last year after the coup I said, this is not right. So, right after the coup back then, 2021, this is just not right. We have to do something. This is just not right. Timi katin lungakin or arakum. Matikan rakum tika kan ki Indiana kum ka rientuan leon kan Indiana rakumi. Peter Tong Hong. Then katong palte ani ki kwalanan kan itay si tika kan ikomi. DC ya kan kalaw is a demonstration for the weekend kalaw kati. Well, okay, kati kakali kan kali Tim mirang pa he chin community Indiana kan rakali. So that was just an eye-opening experience. Maliawakan ki a lobbyist named Mike Haas, who is Tui Free Myanmar to very, very good, very informative, good lobbyist. Mirang pa si ringun kolramakan vai riat trong kakal sangate kapan sangate mahe kan just full of questions. What is this? What is that? How do you do this? So the whole night I just kept asking questions. Manhuakan is just an eye opener. You say, oh wow, well we have to do something. Timikara. Affecting tigaw sila. Manhuakan kan India kan pantan tigasan grassroots movement timika for Burma timika kan tigaw sila ti kan opita he kan tuti mati kan kal video te song kan tua atimi so amani my cousin ni timi so kan community I mean it's true to this day I think kan ma kan community kan church kan umna ka chun koram kong so we have we are very good with each other. Our communication amongst us is very good. Like langa matinakal mahisi at yalo to Tlangaunak. No question whatsoever. Fundraising tibantuk kan kaldika kan ma mu kan ma the Burmese community or Chin community. It's very clear. It's very clear. However, the amati so it's very so true. Congress, which is the people that really the most important people in the world in this way, advocacy and in Taylor. So there's a reason. Number one, you guys are not organized. There are ways to do that, and you guys are missing it. So it's very so true. Okay, then we will work on that. That's the way to start. Second part, so Burma Advocacy Group came. So the way it came is grassroots in Burma Refugee Commission, American Baptist Churches Organization for the last 10 years, I think from when the refugees came from Malay and Guam and so on and so forth, American Baptist Church has been tremendous. Really, refugee number one can push people. And see, Burma advocacy puninda agenda meeting agenda can swap. Okay, then what do we do? So okay, Dr. Medley, Roy Medley, okay, why don't we organize amongst ourselves, amongst the Burmese people, the Burmese refugee group, can organize So right after that, we're like, yes. So who's going to lead us? Well, then you are doesn't anika, he's like Tlangaunak Lining can take Koramia take a chinkarena take the way we think take, how a little politics on here take Matika can Limi Palam Hakha to them can harnak to Tezonka take Mazonka take the cards and why don't you lead us at the Kanti Amaha? Okay, in one condition that if I lead you, then you guys have to agree to follow it. So in that meeting, Kachin, Karen, Chin, CBC USA, CBANA, Kanak grassroots, USCC, Kachin, Karen, Myanmar, like 15, 16 groups. Dr. Dukam, will you follow? Dr. Dukam says, yes. So he went to Dr. Sanno, will you follow? And so Van Kio, Peter, Pakat says, yes. He said, will you work with me? That was his word. So we said, yes, absolutely. Dr. Medley, yes, we will do our best. Okay, so all of us would said yes. And so that's how Burma Advocacy Group formed. And then lastly, he said, okay, Van, you will be my secretary. And so I had no choice. So you will become my secretary. I think. Well, okay. Then that's how I became Burma Advocacy Group secretary. And so to kum khat deng mang from masitang maka 3 main goals that can ngai pakan Burma Act or Burma Act of 2021, the Burma bill, the original Burma bill. Maka Congress passed coding in kan zoom lai kan ti pakat macam keratan lai pani na ka chun Burma bill kan talk mak so about 2 years ago Rohingya situation sa gong in kan rak talk after the coup, so a lot of ethnic groups got left out in this Burma bill. So the left out portion ka CBC USA Kachin Alliance dena current dena he Andra. Okay, let's add these 6-7 items called amendments to the bill. Burma Advocacy can lock can pom can push Burma bill. But humanitarian aids. We need humanitarian aids. So to go back to the Burma bill portion, this is in the Burma bill to pass the Burma bill portions. We, meaning the Burma Advocacy Group, is mostly Christians, including Roman Catholics, Zomi, Mizo, then other Myanmar community groups, Chin community of Indiana, USCC, then Christian group and CD. Very, very were specific in going after, let's just say, Republicans, senators, and congressmen because they're Christians mostly. Christian can see that would be the perfect fit in Kanwa. Save Myanmar for other folks and to Rohingyas and Democrats in focus. And they're very good. And Republican focus So, and that's how we came about into focusing Republicans. So the main focus that we had, number one, was Indiana, because the population in Indiana is over 20 plus. And so Indiana, he's a Republican. And then he is also in that Foreign Relation Committee, which is what the main thing is about. So Senator Young. Senator from Kentucky, the leader, Mitch McConnell, and he's the leader. One of the things that okay. One of the things that Politico magazine wrote about Mitch McConnell is that he's one of the well-known senators. He's the leader. So all the judges currently, when President Trump was there, he was the one really pushing for these judges. And so he's turning the country around through judiciary. So he's doing very well at that. So he did that. Now, Politico magazine says, throughout these senators' lives, the famous ones, especially in the past, they always had one country that they kind of helped to become a democracy country. And so Senator Mitch McConnell needs that. He went after Burma during Aung San Suu Kyi. So to this day, anyone Senator Tamnon Kanton Tika Ken Antimizo Burma is Senator Mitch McConnell's hand. So if something were to happen with Burma bill, it will be up to Senator Mitch McConnell because this is his thing. Senate Leader Asilio in Burma, he wants to become a democracy country. I mean, as a politician, and so to this day, that is how people see it, I think. Now, which means that very interesting is that Senator Mitch McConnell is the leader, even though he's not in that committee. These committee members, especially Senator Young and Senator Reich from Idaho, they will not move unless Senator Mitch McConnell says go. And so right now, Senator Mitch McConnell is on hold. And so Democrats are 50 Senator ngayon, they're ready. Republican layout, we have 0. No Republican senators to support Burma bill. And so that is our situation. US citizen can sign up can senator, especially Republican senator, pressure can Burma advocacy that was our main goal. So we passed this Burma advocacy sign up sheet, really. So in the most important part, 1 vote, 1 name, me. Republican senator, North Carolina, Florida, Idaho, Kentucky, even Texas, focus in kantua nan maazonga kan rad kan gatay about wrong so kan kal chin TV kan kal Facebook everywhere. Very interesting is tutum ka mirang ni ABC USA and district and tat di mirang tam tak ni kan bok na. It's really like, I mean, it's amazing. Mirang po ni kan hatchet anti kan ma lai mi kol mi ni kan trom palte kan dai thang deu pa ma kha. So it's really important now. So where are we on this particular Burma bill? So to commit term November arasang lai, the second week or the first week of November 3rd, I think. So makarasang lai ma thani Burma bill akallo season, it has to be all over. Start from the beginning. So tigatun November 3rd made election to midterm election si tikakan honi the tailai Democrat mo Republican ni tailai dikan taila. Let's say, example, let's say the Republican wins the House, which is possible. It'll have to be a fresh start, which means Republicans need some Burma and Ukraine. So the hope is it's going to be tough. Democrats win, there's a chance that they will bring back the same bill if they win. And Senate, if Democrat wins, we're in the same position. If Republican wins, there may be a chance because Mitch McConnell will be the leader. So we have this thing going on for November. So let's push it hard before November. We have a chance. Let's push it hard. If we don't push, it's a bill, so it will not be easy. It will not be easy, especially for Republicans. Ukraine so it will be a long haul. Now, Kachin Karen kan ma lai mi ten ha hatsatin kan kalpi maka Burma bill amendment ka to CBC USA and Kachin le midang ten han tiami ka song kan push natin di man to kan Burma bill akalaw siyasan you'll be stuck. There is another way that every year NDAA National Defense Authority Act or some I mean government pill ma chunga khan even last year tom palte and won ton millions of humanitarian aid even to bomb na kan ti pa alaya akal sia chun Burma amendment ka tom palte ka ru how men lai ti jong khatu ki kan Burma advocacy Sierra Henry ni ti. So next week we're trying to connect on Zoom and to see what's the best way to go. So Sierra Henry from CBC USA Peace and Justice Committee, he's one of the leaders in that. And so let's go this way and that's a very good possibility that we will do that. Burma bill to sell Burma Act now humanitarian. Kasaltuk mo
Burma bill kong kha jompa Burma bill te cha tu no vansim mi kha Democrat lai kha cha Senator Somga Radiancy tiban tu khana vansim chate Republican lai tu kha zero ban tu khana achang cha Republican lai chuta zaitinda atu gam vansim tu khan Zayden push dan mo, then push dan kau buin mo, away. That's a house in it. Let's say, vay kacho how na bunti cho kay he min sin kan he kan nu min zong kapil de dang lang mga.
It's okay, it's okay.
So then kabuntil nan McConnell utimas
Mitch McConnell.
Okay, Mitch McConnell ka. Makanan leader mae aba push to ding sa basi taban tuk sa basi ma jakan zairwangda ma level push tatak na level tiang aba paklo ya chen Democrat ka tulolo se sene ka nan ma ka Democrat ka aboilios ka Steve aboilios ka Democrat lai so mam ka changmi and then Republican umlaw jakan mo pass law Burma bill ka
yeah okay. Leader McConnell ka abe being idea kan very important. So kan Burma advocacy chungin Reverend Henry here Kentucky representative which included Benabia Mindat Sialinki Falam Layin Sia Susan Lal and then and all those like 4 or 5 pastors from Kentucky, Washington D.C. Uncle, an office Anbakal, Mitch McConnell office, and the 2 meeting on Dua. Makakorang Kongka, and the gun bomb how, so Tidu not so it's not we tried very hard. But he naka ama staff. Usually the staff is very important too. And not staff ni kan ki bepi kat andro piake. Maka kapa he upita he ke he Kentucky akan kal. A staff song kakan baton ha. Kentucky representative pakat call me pa ni akan Troy is very effective. We will do the best we can. However, the problem is that Anmani and Chipi so it's very polarizing. Democrats and Republicans and too colo. That is so politics right now. It's very bad. So the main 4 people in on the committee, the Foreign Relations Committee, that would before it gets to the floor, that committee would have to decide to push this agenda. So Maliwakan committee chairman to Democrats he's from senator from New Jersey. He's good so but he Senator Cardin from Maryland, he's the author of Burma bill, so he's good. So he good he got a Republican Bakatsu Senator Young from Indiana, Bakatsu Senator Reich from Idaho. So Anit Batum and staff and 2 Kosang. So 2 Democrats and 1 Senator Young. Very big pressure from Indiana people. Indiana minister organization pastor som kuani chantial chantiali and sign di nan kan bom lo sia chun the next time we vote ti zong khan tial that's an Senator Young hizu meeting at a staff chat Senator Rice timi Idaho hi Golramin ummi Idaho kan ngay law tikaw sela at office of kal khau tu din kan ngay daw law pressure of pek tu din kan ngay daw law Idaho because an ABC USA kan hali ABC USA ni kan office staff song ka ki tunna ka Myra timi karen nu zong ka an kwa bakal Burma advocacy tum tiam ma zong ka pressure pek Senator Rice, the problem is that Senator Young's on a problem. It's his identity. It's Senator Mitch McConnell ka and pak ho and pak du low and pak ngam low and pak huam low. Mitch McConnell green like a pen hello. Ina kasi. Tika an green like a pek low session ma committee akan akal ko lai low floor upon lai low. To vote. So that is a problem. So the two issues are Senator Young, Senator Rice, and Mitch McConnell. Kanzuam ko. Tuzong Senator Mirang Lei, Joan Fraser Timino, Indiana, American Baptist Church of Indiana, Madnong sa fak pinatial. If you don't do this, we would have no chance. Stephen Tukzong in a TL, Fak Bin TL, Laimi, Minister of Council, 90 pastors in and TL, CCI, BACI, Senator Young office staff, then telephone and son, email and what. You have to help us in the pan Roy Medley can convene a team. So Bible says kan in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night, you have to knock. So we have to keep going in Indiana. It's in the middle of the campaign season. And so we have a chance. We still have a chance.
Singam chunan to mi cha thiltha ase kan ti cha totally pass rila dong ate zain ti cha something's better than nothing ti cha scout cha khan.
Oh yes.
Thil khat kan to mi ka cha to alau pak na ka cha tha de ulang mang churol zai mazat kha avakal mi avasipi na khan atu kan chimlang mum cha Democrat he an lal than la ti pha mi helai mi zong chen acheu khat ne Republican lal deun ha se ti du mi lai mi zong kan te ka azai basi zong
Oh yes.
Adong na ka sen kan ne zoom tu kan si cha pathian ne arrep na ti ni khan nan kal pi chu ma mi tu kha tlam ting te ka lai ti kha keima pum pak zong en kan zu pyak mi na se thil tha tu mi che zai ti mana asol bal lo ti kha akala bun chim du e atu na na bun chim mi kha humanitarian kong kha kal na ti no kha te
Okay.
Humanitarian kong kha bun kan chim tha.
Yeah. So humanitarian kong hin it's very say to see matin vun chim ko se lo phun dang ro lo ten Karen and Kachin ten ha ki ani so ki chau za he ki lan pi khan anin do tika kin they have a history with many NGOs ki rengun zonga kan omi an mani kin tampi ahan zonga kin bomna ka an kalpi ton. So benabia Kachin Baptist Convention ki NGO he pet like na kan ngai Karen zong ki Thai Borin matikan pet like na kan ngai di bentuk ki tampi ani ki history and rak ngai. Now Burma Advocacy Group kan ratika kin atlang piso okay, we have to do something for the needies for the whole Burma di kan rakruwa because in the whole Burma di kan rak thok kan rak thoki to USA ika State Department ten ha ka when he wait Dr. Medley ten ha Dr. Sturman timi UN atwan to Machan Baptist World Convention atwan to ten ha anmani kan kalpi. It's so ki kemak kachim mo kachim do mi so kan mani tikaw sila mo kan mani kan let's say it's on a scale of 1 to 10. We can probably get there to 5 or 6 because email how telephone chana how chonding zonki, you know, there's a way. Tika can it's anma Dr. Medley then ha so State Department ni take so oh yes Dr. Medley and so they have this relationship. So tika chun anmani kan kalpi tika kan we pass 5 or 6 easily or up here or 7, 8 or 9. And so katidu mi so anmani an kan kalpi tika kan USA ten ha ke aluwa kan pan kau. We talk to them on Zoom. We talk to US ambassador to Burma. We talk to they call it PRM, which is the biggest people that help the world. There is a problem in the northwest of Burma. The problem is access. So Ambassador Pani Atimi, so we have food, we have trucks lined up ready. The problem is access. For like Tlangaunak, there's 2 roads. Both of them are blocked officially. NGO restricted and Kalkolo. So that's why the AIDS does not get there this year. To the cards and Burma Advocacy Group ni kan Dr. Medley here and continue to okay, let's try to focus on Chin State. If we can focus on Chin State and get the hard access somehow to get there, we will take that route to Kachin, Karen, or somewhere else, or Shans, or Sagain, or Rakhine. So let's try to focus on Chin State. Okay, that means CBC USA, CBANA, USCC can take the leading charge, and let's work together for Chin State. So the CBC US CBA Maliawakan CBC USA ka the administration kan so officially ka an kan chimkau da ulaw. You know, it's officially can we do this to Mika? And unofficially so meetings on kai. CBA so yes can USCC yes and so Tulia Watson officially CBANA USCC unofficially CBC USA. Now then even last week upita like to the new administration and in GS la AGS zong meeting kan kau. So it's very positive. We came back with that meeting in very good positive we think. So kan patum ka kan ituay ko ilay lang kan decision timi ka kan kalpi. Now, so that's in the US. In Burma, NGO group atlaik tuki, they call it Myanmar Food Security Cluster. And that cluster to next week meeting like there's about 160 people that will attend that meeting. People like CARE USA or CARE, UNICEF, WFPs, all the NGOs in Burma will attend that meeting. So Burma Advocacy Group ni panhi kan kalay ti Zoom meeting mo. Tidu nak so na tiang kakantan. Ma tanga kan UNICEF ti bentuk, WFP ti bentuk ki anom. UN organization ma adi lakin matanga kan anom. Tidu nak so may coordinator asan. Ma kan ganti ka okay. Alana kan talk lana kan tikaw sila mindat lezong an har kan palit lezong an har Hakha Tlangaunak on har unofficially UNICEF ka Tlangaunak kan pakat program tayangay di bentuk si in the last 2-3 months kan tay na ka sun paletwa 8 and nga Tom Paltemu, the Lakmana Mindat Zong, Hakha, Tantlang, Falam, very little. So there's slowly, very slowly, something is moving. Now, maading akan to the 3 groups akan zedakan tua, this is on 9 township kan ngay tika akan 9 township representative kakan call kan maalaka mo CBC USCC ten ha matika kan call tika akan binabiya Falam season Dr. Sanno anika CBA representative tibanto kanara salangilian tibanto mo matsun to didim ten ha section to loan kipa zelo kan sini ka tibantok matsun Tlangaunak Hakha season si Henry tibantok kan rakwa tibantok kan kin minda the season anma representative palet wa matsun matupi ten ha matikan 9 township ka representative kan ni to food cluster here way 2 meeting kan to sang andu mi so very detailed forms very detailed form rakapiu tidu nak so he got food cluster le Burma advocacy group mazit na kan tuan kolai ti mi ka kan du mi se kan ma hrim lo mana hi ka le Falam hi ka le Tlangaunak hi ka le mindat mazit na kan tu kolai ti mi kha kan ma Burma advocacy ni kan tu piak lai ti kha atu bi to kan ro lo atu bi son mi so lai mi ni kan lai tlang kan humanitarian aid kan nga din kha kan du da mi se kan kal liao UNOCH ni kan low profile ti bentuk ka program ten hangi mazong tu ka form kan fill up liao WFP ka Hakha kan staff chang mazong ka is very very good news ten ha tompal te so kan pa liao
okay
ka CBC Falam zong kan hal to see if there's a chance for that connection. Matsun plan to hit dim le ton zang ten ha zong kha kan hal. Ti ban to kan kal. Ti du nak so lai tlang lai mi za kan is the most needed help at this time. Matsun Mizo area on the border area as well. Ma kha ma zong kha kan chim na. ENT mi so if it's possible is that Kanihi Burma Advocacy Group even a CBC USA, CBC, CBANA or USCC then honey can every township can then be a church a silawa organization he can do a coach more can ma sitika can if we can do that use us so that we can take it to the people dika kan chimta use CBC USA use CBANA use us we would be the perfect implementing partner is the word that they use. Implementing partner. Let us be your partner. And we will do it. Tu ka apoy nak so Lutheran ka ankalnik ki jail rakam ni kan threaten to an kirtan. Care ka ankalnik. Care zong ka threaten to an kirtan. So in the next 2 weeks tu ka care here ka kani chat lai. They did not kan mani kan ma kan use us. So that is the program that we're trying to get there.
Yeah, it's a threat and to atimitika kavun vai ka to ala atuka atuke haichim ka usla kuan to anuin chawza ngai lo mi ram kan si chute pi thin lunga chun kan ti ko lai chumi pi thin lunga chawza kan nei lo tu ke foina chima chumi pi thin lunga e anma ra kam ni chun chawza kan si chen ti ko la ne claim ko la sina en atu akhan dictatorship asang tatak mi te ka chan thar kan ti ko lai chu ta chuna ka hen London ka ti chu British kan Queen Elizabeth ti zonga som lo mi chazina at sete atana Russia haitite ramro ani tale hai kai chimdu mi cho ma threat akan tu ati mi kha anni H Paul and bakal khan Burma atu lasi chawza kan tela maslo chen ral lo kap tilang mang ko ral lo cinema permission and hal ida sin tua sin tibantuk threat kamana chimdu na silaus akaban ti achon
Oh, yes.
underground kan tilai cho let's say ral lau kap mit achon sabui tangi rian tuan bentuk avasingha kan tilai cho ral kap kha supply kan tua chon kanan ma kha totally zoom in trust build in kanan ma ka implementing partner tatake sarding kan trust issue mon na sila approach channel in atulio e khu atu amina he chauza bantun sada ma trun dakal kan tim khada an simdu nak e threat an bisitimi kha
and mani Lutheran ni achimmi so we were physically threatened. Our co-workers, our workers are physically threatened and the military mo low cap ni kan tikaw lai low cap ni kan rian tu pol kha physically threatened ma long khan chim chun ani policy ni chun adu ti lo then we will withdraw on the Chin State in and withdraw ko chun care he tinaka chun we withdrew the long ante
okay
we withdrew ante so tika chun kan ruan naka chun low profile so anti kaulai an ma military het one thing ti so an kazum tuklaw
okay
ma na te en na thei ban tukan pakatu WFP ten ha kan chim mi zo lai tlanga hin form ten ha detail form ten ha kan Peter asia chun kan ti number 1 computer printing ki afoi lo kan mi pi sa kan matikan computer la printer ka andi la kan ngai lo angai mi kha ra lo ka mi kan adu tik ava za khau adu tik kan to khau pakhat pani na ka computer he kan computer kan tikola kan iPad mo silo sun kan phone sungi ma bentuk form ti bentuk ka it's you can it's risky ma ka risk cha chun ma bentuk ka ti kho so kan it's kan ro lo however kan ti benabia kan ma ti tika tu Burma activist group pathum ka tikola mo kan ma ni form ka kan fill up ya now if you need to verify then you can verify to Zoom or anything kan mani ta kan fill up kholo mo ti zong ka kan chim so the whole humanitarian aid approaches this so to he they're on a break ti tika 2023 fiscal he arachang lai ani sa the same thing with the America the budget arachang lai before the end of the year tiga kan tu hi tlom palte zai de si vacation and lock the break and lock so in about the next 2-3 weeks fiscal 23 program arachang lai ma fiscal 23 program akan benabia okay lai lang hi zat na kan kalpi lai letina lai ti jong kha tlom palte ruwa ding tiga chun tu liao hi kan ni kan busy pa hi tikaw se la to the 9 township kati mi ten ha kha Zoom meeting he kan tua form ten akan fill up zeda kan fiang lau mi umoti zong kha ko ram kha kan hei chim na tin dan nan kan pek khong ha ma chak kan hei chim na okay an tin an kan ti tin dan zong kan pek ti ban tuk kan form zong kan fill up ma kan kal ti du nak so before the next 2-3 weeks we want this to be zeda si advantage lak ve set lot ya and break lewa hin matis kan fiscal 23 akin kan ma zong kha program lut khosing ha mo achunga kan lut bis khosing ha mo ti zong kha kan zuam pa ima ka humanitarian aid like to say
sangai cha tuk mu chana ban chim mi cho ko kan ban thai kha ma
thai
okay so atuna buntu ami pol he nam buntu ami pol he taka hai chim kau sila atu wahen tlamtling ten kan tila cho tlamtling te chakal dila wasina en kai mani ka mu mi kai mani kai zum vedante zum na cho na zum na adang lai ka zum na adang lai chen nang mani ta chun na nam bunthok na basic idea zongkha adok na ka chen na basic idea na thade mza chang khawmin chu sema kai mane ma humanitarian aid humanitarian te ka tu mi na cha ta chuna tu hen zaiman ke zain tla zain te result aphi ke result achuak ri lau hei te ka sif na chunan kai mane ka zum vedana chan te ka dau thlan na kan di nu manaken atuenan chol chang chiami foundation man tukin nan vun thak chiami ni hen tampi rian ke avutuan tele tiki ka zum me enan kalpi mi kai cha atha ka ti ha tia north sim kho thoma jong kha buni zom ti kha kala ban sim gado
thank you
ma achun akallaka atuye subject ha zai ma zaiman zaitlai atlai lo mi te ka atlai lo mi in bin hal kam la tang riat bak in USA na phan chang
tangkwa
tangkwan te ka tangkwa bak in khan North America na vun phan chang USA na phan chang siko na vun sim to khan challenge ngai cha silai te ka zum achan cha ramdang mi mirang selo mi patni lo bakat ti mi tanak cha challenge afak ngai la ti khin ka hetwa te zai bes zonga na recall khau ti ma na thai khau ti ma na na law mo na ti mo tikau it's minung ti kan feeling kha kan nature so te
oh yes
na minung dio dio ne khan ta chuna atu he chan he chanoi thang he jacob pahan ni he vaya alal ngai mi jong skhomin ma le lak jong na mi ha nangam mo ti angam mi jong skhomin cho ta chuna nang nas personality ka you know shy mo tikau khati ban to kan tio te khan nang mana personality in khan recall na to athan ko ma tang ko nan kai leo na rak ti mo zaitinda be he ka tai ko la how do I face it to me na rak rut mo ti kha
oh yeah so yeah it's a great question it's a very good question you know tang riat tang kwa chen ti lai tlang a chen ka bun chim chang man to kin thom pal te mi hot chwak ka si cho pastor fa ti cho ki lai tang lai cho hei ti ko se lo we are I mean
you are supposed to be a sing
yes and then not only that ki ma kan ma zong ki I'm somebody ti phun zong kan rak ro men lai ki in the proudness ban tuk mo mal pha ma ti ban tuk ki rim lai so from that perspective to hear it's a shock you know kan ni kan rak thai mi chu you know and tlam huna kan tang ri tiang krak si tika kol hot zong ka thiam lo so in only 1 year in Hakha si fala zong ka kol hot krak ti khau lai lo ka son khau lai lo so here total shock ti tika mirang hot ka zero rang hol zero ti tika tlang mun mirang hol cha zai hello ti man ka lo chumu table la silai chun chair ti man to ka simen lai ma long kha silai ma khana di lai tlang na chun he ga han chun 9th grade and so 9th grade si tika chun it's incredible it's just a total shock and the guys to after about 15-20 years can now le can wake up and can to the kin so can when rot han the guy it's just the thinking is that I think we lost about 10 years in just completely shocked so you know kum som ma le kum la ruk krong sri krong kasinan maybe I'm thinking I'm 45 46 47 you know so probably in that sense is lost pakat pani nakatsun it wasn't easy it was tough pakat conduct we were ki conduct Tlangaunak because selo lai mi koram mi so pakat conduct a very good opportunity to so math conduct tai Science, we were okay.
Mm.
So those two subjects saved a lot of us in a lot of ways. English to 0, so, history then has a 0. So other sociology, psychology, I don't know. So makan tangkwa. So Keika high school in Kentucky. So it's just me and this guy that from Korea. Kanao patum ka elementary in Kentucky anika siang in Tlangaunak an kai.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So Keika high school in Kentucky. So tu ka vun ngak minau he kan vun chant ga ken. I usually tell them, I know what you're feeling, and I do. I can tell them, said I know how you feel. So I can, in a sense, they see til harantan ken. I know how you feeling katiton, just jokingly, but I do. So it wasn't easy, but it's okay. Pakat ka zangfa that means so kanu se. Kanu this isn't back then 1979 1980. There's no telephones, the telephones is the payphone. You have to go up the street to the payphone, and then so long distance charge. So in Atlanta, we had no families. So there's not a Burmese family car. Atlanta kan ma area maybe like an hour away. We found one Burmese family like an hour away. So Nika maybe once every 3 months, more every 6 months from a conduct mutonra. Yeah. So everything was, you walk to the grocery store or bus to the grocery store. Either you walked or you bus to the grocery store. So Malio kansan kanu ka ama along ka inar umton. And so her brother kapule ka siatolanum panian rakum matun disia pakat rakum. Natin it's like no phones. Right, no phones. Yeah, so kanu karakar. Yeah. So kan kapa kasi siyang inakay mo. He's so busy with his PhD. And then maliwakan kapazong kafalang Bible karaklet. So he was totally out there, busy. Gay kasiyang in high school, kanala patum kasiyang in Hansi. So my mom was there, but we made through. So but yan bumps ago, and so in college that way, and we did well in college. Pakatso foundation, kapale ni kan Christian foundation kan kalpi kanule ni kan aniso. They see very strict mo kan okay. So very strict foundation here on kan kalpi. So it's we made it, and so to this day, kize to see my heart's always to the community because I know how they feel. Yeah.
Một chút bài các khâu har mình chứ, tôi har khâu chứ na chimmi kha cái mà nam ha cha đều na har khâu chimmi cái thế har khâu cái thế có lại chứ cái mà he na chứ na norm các phang na he kum lei chuang ti long cái sự ya tu he cả lạc lộ ngay chứ chân chứ lại hol cầm vân chim rồi cầm tia khan dây tin là cái tin vun ruột than lắm mà hà năng chân vun khen khổ ngày về thêm mắc ngày cái mà chân các khổ ruột hà chân miệt tu cái vun chim du miệt chứ na vun cái lệ chia bên tục đèn xem dây xịt chân cái tang qua thì cao năng học xịt liệt cái phá này community mình nó lâu chứ thế xin community chứ chim là tu na vun chim mi 1 or 2 thì cao finger count kan na to ko lai chute ko ram mi man kha chin chu chim lo ka kharak si atu khan hi ban tuk na lai hol zong na vun thiam ko chatu ka chimi ve na thai di ka chum thai la na rang hol ma slo la ko hol slo la je hol di kan man hau tina ke bas la na thai di kho mi in chung tangin ma asikau chinta atu ka vun chim to khan nang mani struggle na rak tua tuk ruang taka question ka pan hi ban tuk si I combine
sure
nang makha lai hol hiti na thiam kho na teka basically kai mani chen na thiam ka ti bak ya chen tang kwa rong an phan mi teka atu wa khan
Yeah.
how long you have been here in teka
Yeah.
North America so
Yeah.
na thiam bak ka ti na thiam kho mi he in chung tang in mana thiam pakhat teka cha pani na Zayda chin community you don't even know ki teka tak ti chen zai mana thaila chu chin kong long ke basically tang kwa kan kai la liu na chen we are crazy we don't even know what is what teka ma khan ma bantuk inarak ra narak ra North American na phane ma khan chin community zone active ka teka la che ma according to my knowledge teka na active chim mi he ka dot na community long he ka dot bak na ti mi he nang man rak struggle to ruang ma simo slow la family ni da an chom pyak mi city mi ka it's kind of two question na
Yeah. Another good question again. Yeah, it's if I can go back. So the language so tlam huna chun call hol lo tika khan chun tlam falam hol tika se mo lai hol kan si tika khan chun ma kha so it became my mother's tongue language. So matikana kali higa kan pan tika kan really so 1979 on maybe 20 years later guam le kan ki kan mi pi kan ra ma nu longa kan lai hot ka ra tan.
Okay.
So about 20 years lai hot was on pause. there was no Burmese.
That's nice.
So after Guam like Atlanta I think 2 or 3 families came and then then my lai hot aratan man hua kan chun kan biakin kha community he matikana rim ja kan biakin kha ara man hua kan falamin ra Hakha ra ma Hakha an nu long kan Hakha khatlong pa te ra tan. So after 15-20 years Hakha khatlong pa te ra tan. So matikana ra. So the language in itself matikana ra, but the struggle is the struggle itself. So deep inside I think lai mi ka siti mi kha for some reason it was just natural to me. It's just
very important.
It became American kasi I'm American. But as far as the chin it's in there. So the chin part is always there. Now yeah, I should be more of my dad's side. Yes, I get that. But it just happens to be I'm a chin.
Sidiam chin kha atak ti achen kan sim theu lang mang ban tu khan zain tilai atak ti achen we are one in chin and Christ kan tilai kriya pum khat kan si china pum khat kan si kau tak ti achen atlang pi kan ni chin mi phun he katikal ati chin or lai tikau mi phun he pa le le kal deu kan silang mang hai tikau se la tu hen ta chuna kai me he san thang pen ka se sabda se ka fa le he tu tiang hen kai ma ka khwa hol sakta hol ka sim ka chot na ye ka fa he an thai di na an sim khawlo an ka le hen marang hol asilau sila ha khol anu kha hal kha hol aman cha te al khol an ka le che khai chim du mi che kha che ani household ni avangai ve kan tila che or zai tin zai za da chang kan man ni kha avangai ko zai song at least atuina vun chimi basic foundation kan ti mi kan tin lung ni khan you know I'm just like chin ka scout na ti mi kha ma kha very good ka ti mi se atu hen mi tam pi he ka tilai cho like kan ma na upad deu zong scout kan ma thi chlau la kan ma na hak si deu chin po a chiu na che chin ti mi thin lon nai tila che we are Canadian or you know American so why should we bother like helping them it's happening over there you know like just different thing.
Yeah.
Nakan babab makao. Timi atu tiang hen North America katitsa to USA le khaze digan lo chaga thela minau ke atlo taken sa minau katitia khan single minau let's say under 20 or under 25 ke
Yeah.
ke bentuk minung ke atua kan bawra kan betak te thobur kan tela cha tu liawe kan nital kho mi cha raising our voice to our parliament or our MP tekau or tang ka tho khas kau cha khas kau te khan atuhin the younger generation katilai cha kha anti chung khan atuna bunchim mi basic antin lo khan umlau chin timi kha
Aman.
Umlau te khan ma ruang khan da tu ga bunchim mi kha hol kan thiam lo mo at least I am chin tekau I'm Canadian chin sila I'm Canadian Hakha katikau khatal ka chukan ngai ha mati khan totally kha kan na country kha azin tela ignore kan tua lai moti kha silawa asilai lau cha we can still do something or tekau hi ka zone zai chukan tua long khan kan dam za kan to kho ti mi te kha ma na vunang ma e tekau na basic story chung khan makhami pi cha bun etchi ka du mi se younger generation zong ni khan atuye kan thinlung chunga seti ka du mi cha kan du mi cha tekau atuye dong ma e na thinlung tu khan I'm just chin I don't know it's there na timika makan e childing city mi te kha
Oh yeah. I'll give you one good example. To America na hen St. Patrick's Day timian ngay. St. Patrick's Day is one of the biggest festival in the nation. America, greens and green color and take away. So basically from Irish people.
Irish people.
They are here in America, but yet, they don't forget they're Irish. Irish people, Cinco de Mayo. It's from, the Spanish people, the Mexican, all of that. Our brothers from south of the border. Cinco de Mayo, one of the biggest celebration in America. So yes, I mean, we could go on and on in Polish. We could go on and go on. So that's one. The second part of the issue is, I think, is that we are number one. We are a community people. We thrive in community, our community. So our community leaders are very, very important. Community leaders who really are the pastors and the deacons. Yeah. So the pastors and the deacons, if they don't pick it up, if they don't take it, then the public, they're not going to take it. Then leaders can pick up those then young people is not fair for them. And my leadership now, Dr. Medley didn't. So one of the questions was, can pastor Michel biakinte na ko rubate na in his politics can sign law they can discussion can so he gave us this example. So and I think I said it before, but he said that in the Bible, and it's a documentary, it's a preacher in the Bible with the Good Samaritan, is that the story that Jesus Christ told us that the priests and the Levites were not bad people, even though they passed by. Here's a person in need of someone did something wrong, very wrong, but this is the person that's really in need. But yet we have these good people. They didn't stop by because they're not bad people. They didn't stop by because they were a little bit too busy. They probably were thinking about their church, their programs, maybe their money, their time. And the person in needs, they don't see that person in need anymore. Kamika boy supreme so until at the small.
Je angan teka
Yeah, until that Atinaxi. So that's how he explained it to us. So even Martin Luther King, who had very troubled occasions here in the 50s, 60s. I mean, museum of Martin Luther King museum so unrest room white only, black only in the restroom. I mean, that was in 1950, 60. So, I mean, 50, 60, 70 years ago. So, Dr. Martin Luther King ni kan arakway tika timi so pakata chimni so. We understand the other side if they don't support us at the but our own people, when they're silence, it hurts the most. Yeah. So it is our own people that are in needs over there. They're unharmed more. They're in camps. They're in the rain. They have a hard time eating. I mean, you name it. They're dying. And Maliawi hika kan pasta ten ha. Ki kan deacon sen ha. Pulpit sungin chip ding shrim sa sika tiketsa. Tan ding shrim si. Because this is right or wrong. I mean, how wrong is this military government? Maliawi politics city so they missed the point. They missed the point.
Kan vai ha kan beru ha thongai ka te mi people kha zain tilai akan zau mi zon pa chen akan zau mi ni kha zong kha share rak to la kan ni ru mi te he tak tak te chen like what pakhat te ke te ka be fang khat te ke na fu so se chen la se laugh dot nak ti mi te ke be fang khat te ke na wangai so na fu so la se chen ma laugh ti mi kan dot nak ti mi be fang khat ni khan nanun na thlen ko mi sko e tu zonga atu na khan kan uwan khan bun chim tu khan I'm not a politician. I don't even interested in politics na ti mi ka te ka ban tu kha politics ni interest lo zong kan interest lo zong abaw ruak chunga zain la baw ruak chung chang khan chen na pai a haw na pai te na thiam lo zonga nakalpi haw tik a khan chan tampi ngai nom lo zong na chim khau me kan chim khau me na en tu kan rak chim lang mong tu kan pakhat pani te nian rak ngai mi kha ani fian kho sual chin ma ni khan minung athong thong kha an ro na rong thlen kho ko cha lai la sia rong bun tu ola ti kha zan dang e khan nan kan zau ton rong khan ti kha ka bun chim du em azai zonga tu kha online khan bit halmi kha na ten kai mani kali kho mi cha si chialo uvan nang man hal mi chu silawite kan ma le rung tlang le kan hal mi siam ati rung tlang aw thong ne update tak ok lo na chen chu tu he zain tilai keima ka ruwa nak tun ka chim lai pioye su khut ya kan tim chu ko ha hlan chen achim arel khau zong ka silaw na en keima ne ka ruwa na so atuye kan thong pa dai dan ne khitsia apin tatak klitsia angan tatak asan lai khi adai bentuk alau tia kai mazong ni ta chun na kalak to ne atua khan kan thong pang he adai andam kan ma Hakha CDF lai zong an ma chol chang nin chan chol chang pang na en chuti ngai ika do na umlau chen acheu khan ni bihal na nan to ton rung tlang zonga sia wa rong zonga sia bihal na nan to ne particular ka char ti la lawe an ma pumpa an min ka char ti la lawe zai rong da hriam nam hi kan du to kan hin kan du ning a phak kho lo ti mi kha bihal na theu ma khong khan vun hal ding kha vun le ding a har tia vun le ding mi cha foinan chen project kha thil ti mi cha ama la azon te khan thil kha kal lang mang cha khan atu zong cha kan chim lang mang mi CBC USA ni an mai thak mi 10 million project kha ama te nakal chu ma be ka chân rung tlang hơi in cần vun chim xe chân Hakha CDF lain vun chim xe chân tăng cao mất chân dạ ning kha ning khan vun chua tar kho thoma khas kau thil akaldan kha ya chân project angan pi akaldan kha ama te kal e api deuh te her ning kan her mi te cho tăng ca nên chua kho pau a chu tăng ca pau cha kal thoma ko ti mi te kha vun chim kha ka vun pe chi du e online bian nan kan halmi kha direct kan vun phit that lo cha khan khati ka vun chim mi ne khan zai ma za khop theu lai ti zum nak nei e atu he lai lai zonga zai tlai lung ra thai in an kha rong rang na cha ta chun na thong pa ngai mi kan sia chen in le lau na kha khar piak city ban tuk na nam bun thai mi tem lai ka kha tak tak ti chen kan ma mi pi chau za zong se lau an du paun khan an siaram lau mi in pau pau khan khar thma ko la chen pe la zai da na tua zai da si zai rong na chim lau ya an ni chu ta chun na na putar min na thai mo tia kan hal na so ke na ka putar min ka thai lau chu ta chun na ka thai lau ti zai rong na putar min chen na thai lau ti phuni du nak du pau e zai tlai sual na pol chu man thong thak mo in khar pya mo ti kan tong chu ma chu cha chun kan chen na hau thla kan cham ma hau kan ma chiu kan chen lo chun pak palong zai tlai chu hlan vel ti kum khat la cheu chung te kum ni lai kan dut mi kan chol chang mi vel te ping palawa chua di khau mi cha chun thla fa pi kan cham hau chu rol khan minung kan si cha kan minung sinan kan chen ok her mi ngai che chu van khan thala jang chen ok atha mi lai ne ha ti an chen chang ban tuan nun na pe ban tun ngai che chu va jong khan kan chen ri ma hau ti mi te kha akar laka te ka uvan ukyo mai ne na bun sim mi kan lakhan bun tan ta ka du e lai mi sina hen te ka uvan rian he na tuan pa zeu ko la te ka zum rian na tuan pa zeu la ka ti du na che zain tlai ke ti business lai vai lai ti slem laun te ka community chunga khan rian zai ma cha na tuan pa zeu lai slau la na tuan nang ma na pai lau zonga atuan mi ni khat e an biak an biak an dan ka tle che an bi pau dan ka che na bun thai pa theu lai kan ni lai mi he chan tam piarian kan bun tuan da deu hen izum da deu ti silawen rian tha deu rian fak deu in du fa ha kau deu atuan mi ni hen te kau atuan mi pol he zai ruang da ta chuna hrui tu kan tila che kan hrui tu na ya zum kan ni har ton mi la kan ma kan izum lo ruang rian tun a har mi he khoi kan da ara mi singa kan ra kap nak chan asau tu chan kan leader po zum out lak lawan nakal mi ruang ma kan izum len na lo slo la ta chuna kan ni lai mi na chu hlan liu deu na chen kan keima ni chu ka phan keima zong keima ka bun phan min deu ro la to man kan than lau ti chu te to man rak than asilau ti ban tuk tan ha rak simi kal la khan zero da atu chana hin hiti em hin kan thui tu na kan zum na lo pakhat che kan ma lila jong he zai ti ruang hinda kan zum lawe rian tuan he kan har mi te ke izum law nor na ruang te ka izum law chen rian 20 har cha hi te he khoi kan darat mi sanga satan sin mi singa min online chau za u na sin ra mi ma singa silap sila kan ma shim mi da kan ma lai mi chin mi phun ri mi da zum akrim pakam man kan tlak ti lo da singa ti mi te kha nang ma na ruan ati ka kha cho open book as ka cha khan ma ni na du ni na ruan kan ban chim le lo ka du ngai
apoi ngai bente ko sela thokna kha chen apoi ngai te na te in ke corona ka chen ki it's not a fault you know ki ke corona ka chen ze te si chen ke ma mo bente sela back then he pakana ka chen kan po tam which means that kan umnaki lo tho ti ban duk mo tu zonga to even to this day kan pastal then ki lai tlang abun zau se lo ki zaida an ai the next month zaida an ai in 3 months that usually is the main focus kan po tam ki kan tlang mun te na de lo lâu thổ thì cả tu cũng sẽ dạy được xí lại tí mi long maybe 1 year in comparison khi cả hiện sẽ là cần phá lại bộ cái vấn dấu sẽ là cần nụ cần ba dòng khi cả mình bất thiên rằng phản ảnh cần nụ bu bạc ni thà chăm mi cho bất thiên sinh cả lom cô rami nọ thu vi mi cần bố trả mi cần đủ lâu mi cần toa cần bố trả tục giá nọ thu dòng khác cần tí hết thì cả chúng cần toa mà đến hôm nay thì cần chua bị khi cả khi lồng thiang đến riêng cần chuẩn khẩu thì khi thiên lồng khi ăn uống tục thì mình để khi thả rằng cái tí đủ mình cho khi cả cần pan thì cả khi cần phá lại bol cần nụ lại bol khi okay now what can I do the next 3 years the next 5 years thì khi cần ruột khó rằng đến ruột goals very important goals cần ngay khẩu rằng có rắm lại là chân goal so it's terrible mà thì cả khăn foundation cả cần chia khẩu lâu goals cả cần vấn đề tu bất thiên giảng phản là cần cà phê lên tu dinh breakfast cần eight lang thì cả cần tí mi okay now let's work on this cả cần phân u cả cả this is a fall break so the next week ka siang in ra thong san la tika khan ma din hun te na hi kan to khau next weekend I can goals ma tin na to mi hi ma tin na than chau nak ti te na ka tha tin kan ro khau khau ti du nak ka po tam lo so my brain is a higher thinking vin ti kau se la phun dang ro lo in nọ thu dòng kha pai sa choi tin ha ti ban to ki kan rak phak ning kha hi ka kan pathian ni kan trom pal te ki kan hu piak tin kharwa ti ka chun the thinking of my friends who grew up here and the thinking of my friends who grew up there it's kan mo law pakhat so ti ka chun the trusting issue is a big issue trusting ki foi law thì cả chúng cần rắc now khi cả cần phán rằng ít lòng bảo để cần muốn hỏi rằng na để in you know it's tough to how we grew up just to cut that off is difficult mà lên cần pu cần u le pol mu lòng bảo để lâu hàng akin yeah it's still there the thinking is still there natin kay karuan mi so upat pakat ni zong kitong palte kabunsan tika kan you know kan rak ruwa ning ki sa ni sin penabia just one example and I could be wrong lai tlanga kan tlang hana kabun tika lai mo kan tlang hun ka kan ram ka ngan tha zong tha tu zong kan chi zong ta kan tlang hun ka tha tok don't let it go tin thiên lùng khá cần tụ thì cả khăn lao mun là khi hạc lại bèn khá ý chuối nạc khá phổi tốt lòng bạc hạt so thì cả chun I think khi Chin state lệ Sagaing state riêng chuẩn đỉnh khi vấn chia cậu phá làm lệ hạc riêng chuẩn đỉnh khá hả chẳng thì điểm tên hạt cầm palet mình đặt tên hạt lòng cần bố xong cái tràm we don't trust each other. I think a combination of those. So it's not our fault. Natin pakat to very hopeful. So binabiya hiti ko sila USCC tiban to kira. USCC main objective so unite. You know, and it's funny. Ki Michelle ni kan atong paten kan tok ton right. It will never happen, you know. But I love that. I love that. I love impossible, you know. It's good. It gives me energy. It's a good thing, you know. It's a very good thing. Like we can see, we have to work together. Not only that, we have to work with Sagaing people and then Rakhine people too, and Shan and all those stuff. You know, we don't want to be the poorest state in Burma. We don't want to do that anymore. No, we've done that so long. And so we have an opportunity to go further.
Mm.
And so we have to work with each other. It's our own fault, you know.
Yeah. Mm.
And so we have to work together.
Mm.
To humanitarian aids kung akin ang kan titon min sa bakat akasan. Hey, natibantukan. Result umlaw, you know, just you guys just meeting tantuan nanti meeting nanti. But I keep telling them, binabiya kati Malay na umliwakan ki tampi kan umliwakan. You know, it's not one group or one person that did the advocating. It's a number of people that did the advocating. They went to Washington, D.C., UN, they went to State Department, they went to the senators, House representatives, they went to Malaysia, they went to, oh my goodness, 10, 15, 20 organizations that went there that did this. You know, so we are trying. Humanitarian and AIDS you know, it's a it's if we are divided, you know, if we can't succeed, it's one of those things that it's for the future of our kids, you know. So we have to succeed. We have to win this war. You know, it's not like, can we win? No, we have to win. No, we have to win.
Vaya result ti mi cha tak te cha tu ye chwak chol mi ban tun an hu de ya ba chwak mi jong kha ko te kan rian tu mi kha tha chet ding slaw ti cha ruat cha ka anan tu mi he thil tha tam bi ka chwa pi te la ti he zum na ka nei ben atu te ka atu leo chia a khan atu leo te a hen chen result law ban tu law nain kai mani ka mu mi cha kai mani ka he ru ave dan cha te ka kai mani ka ruwa mi ruwa na no ka nei ve cha ka ruwa dan ka bun chit na cha
Yes.
a tha tuk mi thila chwa thila te ka ruwa chen atuna na bun chim mi kha kan zum kho law mi he kan rak ichwa kan rak irat pi mi te ka kan uknak ruang khan scout ti kha bun ruwa ve da unak ka se atu cha kan bun chim tu kan na bun chim mi kha ka bun pe du mi cha alun chia mi kan mindset ka che thlau chang na sala izum ko na se kalpi phat ko ton se kal thoma ko na se ti mi te kha na chim chia mi chang bun bel ta ka du ete ka hen zai ruang da ti nan bun ka hal tha ne fiang lang ka chim hen chen maya chin media hen maya ka min thang tuk so la a fiang ho halau tu ka bun chim than ko la vào wrong holding mi bia a ban tukin rung tlang ne kan focus mi te ka rung tlang zai te kan le kho mi bia kha be man tu khan media cheu khata chun na tlan tlang CDF out thong nen au pi mi kha an ma la vai te kha kan focus kho mi cheu kham za khan keima pum pang kan le kho mi na chu atu hen kan ni ha kha CDF chu pathian don na thong in tangka achua ningin la tangka kan ngai kan ngai ningin mai thal jong sia kuan jong sa chok se ningin tangka kan nei ning kan chok thuma ko ti mi tu kha kavun in le kho mi na sla chen kavun sim tu khan chan tam pia ke kan ni kha te ka words zegin te cha ke ral tuk chiam mi la ral chuma mi kan silau cha zai ruang da hi bentuk mai thalian man lau hi bentuk he chang an ti nan an ka lau ti bentuk po ka chu keim na ka chim thiam ve lau achan chu kan ma ne kan vun thai kho mi information tanga lau cha khan ti mi te ka online bia na vun ka hal mi ka vun thai thiam nai ko na in kan ma rung tlang aw thong ne kan va phak kho mi information asilau cha khan vun kan thai thiam lau chu bal te chu kan ni rung tlang kan au pi mi cha Hakha CDF scoop in kan au pi mi scout cha kan thai thiam lo kan ma Hakha CDF chung ni tang kau mi cha ning in a her ning kan man an her na po kan man ti mi te tu kha ka vunin le kho min ha selo ka hen no a hum ti mi hinang man se ma uran okay sichen vaya tu zan he bia tha tuk zong na kan ru pi na tu he rung tlang tlang au na US dollar zanga bak maya na vun kan thut e na chunga lam na tampi kan ngai keima te long he ka thut cha ka mi lang cha keima mak ne thut lang tiak ni ko ha kal ha chen lu ta tong ku sa pyu ya kan di lom tuk sing chen boy pa tu ni mai le na rian tu na thut chuan am pe chin ko set ti kha vun bel be ka du e ka hen noa hum tin arak lu cha khan hau set da singa ti kan vuni lak lo e makha uwan nang mani na vun kan thut mis cha khan na chunga lam na tampi kan ngai ti mi te kha Ontaria comment ka vunre ta le uwan chka temo okay se makha atuye comment kan comment nan to mi kan le mi na khatika nan lungtin lo chen message in the private message in rakan halte la ya chen online kin topic ki tampi cover or tha tuklo katiko la se ya chen atu leo che lungrual tin ka kan du lo mi din lo nak kan dau chu ma mi skau cha khan kan ma la kan ma te kha dot nak ha I thai thiam na ha lungrual tin kan kalti kho lang mang kha tha ti ruang khan ta chun na online kan cover lo mi topic ta na kham ko tampi behal na kan in le min ha long khomen ko na in kan thai thiam ko ti mi ti tu kha ka vin chim du ka hen Gaya uban ng malekal sana online comment po ka vun lut pa chen na vun chim
Cha cha.
ka
Yes,
vun
yes,
ke
cha.
ta kan sete
Cha cha.
kan ma pa thi lo kan cha kan zalong te kan di ru ase chu tu
Okay.
zang he na ba chim sao tuk ti zong he kan tong ri la kan pa thi lo kan cha khan ti
Okay.
kan he open ngai kan thei ru ko he
Mm.
let's say tu he pakhat le ti rong kan thu chang nang mani te kau atu kan dau thlen na te kau humanitarian Burma bill forget about it atu leo te nang ma na view te kau nang ma na view na point of view kan te kau la cho mirang ho kan ni thana chen nang mani na pu ning in ken zai tin da na pu atu leo kan dau thlen na he new song che nangai pa theu le te ka zoom nangai mi te la kan chol chang ning la chen chung lai rian chuan mi te zong ni thai pa lai ni chon pa lai Zaida alo kan makal mo chitika are we doing good silama zaida lo lai let's say NGO tan han chen out pim 2023 chen totally root out kan tua ko latika an zoom te ka ta chuna ka bantu te kha nang ma e na pu dan ma khan na bun sim lai te ka na bun sim din khan hal ok maybe ka vun tan ko cha ka vun hal ko ka vun in hal lo cha na pe ding mi ka du mi cha tu hen lain te lai kan ra ka po zong azau min khaw men te ka kan ma CDF Hakha CDF-Hakha spot Hakha pol te ka an khaw men chen atua an zau te zong silai ma kha tha jang pe na le mi pi atua khaftin te monthly base in bif chan chu thang kan kal monthly base in tho mi te la apeng atlang kan ti ka zau ka peng chen ha ku thar ku chung cho buk ti ban to te pi do ta ku tun dor thar sen thang peng ti ban to khan ha tia tang ka tho cheu se ma na po sin jong khan tha jang pe na kha na ka pek pek chi te la kan la kan stop la wa chen kan stop la ti hal na kan nei la chen ma kha
Okay, okay. So you know, ki ti bantu ki berwa hi ke jong kanuam ngai te. I think it's a good thing. I details okay so ti bantu khan you know ki ma lai ka ka thai to klau ti kau sela na te en pakat ka thai ke ma ka thin lung chung te na fiang ngai te mi chu pakhat na ka chun you know ki it's only been a year te atlang pi it's in a little over a year to go sell 2021 e mati kanarai mati kan vun kal ning tu tiang hi vun zau sell I think the world will be shocked you know it's a kani hi pakat one good example he got hin ki you know Malay lane Guam lane kan ratak tika kin biakin lay ki kan rakol tika kan you know usually ani hi ka lay American ten American Baptist Southern Baptist ten that so you know in order to form a church, you have to do these, you have to do the board, you have to do these, you wait for this, you do this paperwork, and they'll take a couple of years even to kinan kanti kan ni to sila fuk kan ra okay biakin kan her ma tin pum kan thok lai nang kha chairman mun se ko tin pum ti thakat thani akal ko and then they would look at us and go, wow, that was good. But in this sense, I think it's amazing. It's a little over a year. It's a sacrifice. Sacrifice araktu kani mo America ka umi it's I am blessed. I mean tikaw se lo roof hi kahin hi phong zong mei zong hi even toksi I am blessed. So so the people that did the ultimate sacrifice and then mark it's all about you kay karon na kansan pakat matsan panhina kansan mipi matlukin kanin support pakat support mo. It's amazing. It's now it's not going to be perfect just yet. Ki hikazong akan to benabia to Senate office then akan an kan tizang mi so the city it's not just democracy for Burma and tizang tidunak so you guys and the ethnic groups you guys have to do better and kanti and timito we have to come together maka an tizang hikazong maka you have to work on that and ma ten haka ki benabia maybe it is good for us vok ti bun lak na kin tom palte mati kanakal maka kanichon sang CJDC ni tampi kalpi ko ti ban to adang organization dang ten ha tampi kani mu pa chang jen kan tuan ko chang. So I am very very hopeful ma liao kan sin pakat panhina ka chun I think eventually yes we will win. I have no doubt we will win. We will win this thing. To tikaw sela politics like in Russia then China then has it done to it's a detail so it's out there to thai below. But more importantly so kan ma that we don't give up. We never give up. Hare yes to America tikaw sela akan bomb men lai ti akan ruanan tamnon bomb nan ti liaw akan Ukraine ra even so it's a little struggle yes but it's okay. Democracy is not free. Democracy has a price and so I think it's okay. Now in UG lay because Dr. Sasa lay midang leadership I mean how difficult would that be? That would be very difficult. We Dr. Sasa natlong paltekan kan tantikakan it's you have to give them motivation. We have to say we support you and we have to do and so because it's so tough. Nanma ti bentuk wrong TV other programs and nanmani can mipilay zong kahat ti bak kan herweko hi beidong lawin maka kanin nanma zong kanin chimdo. It's about the positive news that you display. And buntiko selo Michel so what is journalism tizong kaharpa mo. It's not easy and wrong then chin TV then ni bidang then it's not easy. So yes, don't give up. And then lastly so kan hoilan po ulan na pilipu nandila can we pray for you kakan sampiak yes absolutely bakat panhina ka kanin zoom na we believe in you that you will be successful absolutely have no doubt we support you it's absolutely you know, personally, you know, so you supporting CNF, you supporting this guy? I said, I support whoever wants to win this war.
Right for you.
I support whoever wants to win this war. I don't care if they're BNF or INF or whatever, F what, doesn't matter. Yes, I support whoever that wants the war. Absolutely. We have to unify. We have to work together. So it's a must. But now, Paul, you know, it's for the younger generation. Yes, it's difficult. I know. I think I can understand that it's so far away and it's not about you and this. But you know, we're Christians, and Jesus Christ always talk about the needy, the unfortunates, and all those people, especially, you know, your cousins, your uncles, and this and that. Those are important people. So I think this is a opportunity can back in Karawak, so in a way. So I'm very hopeful, and I'm very hopeful. BAG, Burma Advocacy Group, Dr. Roy Medley Tenha, Scott Stern, Dr. Sturman Tenha, very, very good people, very, very great people. It's in CBC USA, CBA, USCC, I mean, everyone, major groups. Kanmani Kantualawa, who's going to do it? Yeah, Nanmani, he Zoom meeting Nantuala, Zoom Nantuala, who? So yeah, I'm very hopeful. So yes, but thank you for the opportunity. Kanilom.
Se anabunsimiha athadi tuzancha nabatsimi ponga enwam ti kaima pumpa python kan thutsa mas chuka thaila wete nanga nabatsimi nga enwam chun manzong anai kati zaintila chan tampi hen ta chunna kai he meeting kan tua zong hen bia ka chimla hen tha ten gayo ka chimhin nan thai hui lawe ka chimdi nu chik chaka hen minute pakul rakal nuwa machu kong cha jaitin da kan tuala nan tisulati ka ti to ne ka chimdi mi cheu khat ke it's bia ka hi thum te lawn chin na man anai ti bimban to khan ke ma cha chin na chimi po he man anai angai zong an nuam chin de tila na bachim shim he tin chim kosla pale film tra chen fale zong ne rakzot le pa che raksi ti che raksi ko he vaya na bachim shim he vaya ngai anwa me tha zong adam ti mi te kha akal laga wun chim chi du e pathian ne kan chim lang mang tu ken opportunity akan pek na ti mi te kha kape ta la 2 minute de ka kape ta du mi je pastor pakhat ha bia kan ruai kadwa atak tak ti chen atie vai pandemic asimi la chan rakap ne akan ukmi hiti akan vai mi he pathian tu ne vai mlawa kan ma chin mi hakha mi shim he I rem na setia pathian ne du mi slai ti karuat ke che pathian rem ruat setia karua achan che hakha mi nau he bian phan lo mi he 85% from bian phan lo 90% from sang he krifa bu atam chama phan mi krifa bu 15% long mi nau he bian phan he pathian ne opportunity katila ama lai email than nak cha dinga opportunity kan pe mi suat ti khen ruat ti kha opportunity kong na chimcha khan masute kha kan laga kan ka buntan du mi se zaiti zonga pathian ne kan dot kan tai ko lai kan tai han lo zong kan dau lai kan si kho ton te dau tu chung pau cha ten kan zuam cheu la kan ti kho na chewan pathian zong ne arem atia chen tai na kan pek ko lai ke cha pathian ne rem aru a chun ti kha ko war ngai ve te pathian ne rem lau tia chen zaitlo kan zuam zonga USA te ka USA kha Vietnam war zong sung ko chu slama tu ka thong mi ka Vietnam kan tai lai la sa ta chun na ti me US zong UK zong ne kan bom na sa pathian ne kan cha rem lau ti se chen kan tai lai lau MAH te ma cha chen pathian tu ne tai na kan pe ding thla long kan cham lai kan min nung thon na kan ma ne kan ngai chia cho wa shim no kan chang lai ti mi te kha akan laga vun no ka du e zar pini zan zo kan ni tong than tin halai e zar pi zan he thong boy na sak chem thong boy kha asuro thong boy ka kan so me la adang kan u le pon ha biru na kan nei tin hala ti mi ka vun chim du e kan ni cha azum mi pathian zum mi kan cha wan nang mani kan dong na kan topic te ka velte pathian ni nei te lai tho kan so pya kan mi pi na cha zonga tu ha kha CDF CNF te ka kan dau thlen na chwa tal mi velte cha zong khan ta cham na khan ngai pyak lama chen nang ma kha se ha mi akal la kan ngai chen bun chim tala ma han thlan
no
te la kan
cha
pe
cha
du
nó sẽ chắc hơn xăm lại
yes
trong nông nghiệp bồi ba cần phát triển nông Hindu đọt tục cái nó phát ba này xuân cần mà sang phum ba Indian bạc tất cả với tâm pi cho phun đăng thực hiện cần ruột theo Hindu thâu thâu in hall thâu thâu in nên là người tu cần lâu xem cần lâu thăng thắt hay Hindu dàn khẩu dàn thàn bạc là ý đó cả nang ma thu ha thon kan te kau dingi kan ma mi pi rang la tlang rang se khal se la thila thalo thila diklo ti nang ma in the bible tiang thimi in zap mi pong kan hu te ka kan ni in tau men lo in kan ti thai tok te po kan to tin kan ruat ama se khal se la nang ma i lam roi kan tu li nang ma i khi hu sak kan tu li nang ma i hitilam zon si ti nang ma in sin pia den khala kan lo ngen phone thì cả buổi bắp thiên nông năng mà thu la năng mà đủ nạp tụ tổ nạp thon lâu thu nín năng mà in đủ sắc từ tu khá khô rinh rinh thấy nạp từng khởi bắc khẩn bắc khất làm gì trong thật sáng câu tu gian thì cần tu nọ thì cả năng mà thiang phara thì cần ruột tu cần giá tên phần đăng tên in rinh tích khôi in năng mà thon thằng nạp phép thấy nạp là nó bị ham Asain latlang mi kan nang na po kan ul po kan pi puza ten hena harsan to mi po hena thakan samsak anom nak chera boy pa chen nong nang man thong nak te na kun pek ram an thin nom lau thin har anom ding chi mi khol nang man lam run thoi ram ko ai lai an num nak po an tum ta nak te po nang man na thei nang man lam run thoi ram ko te kon lau ngen ito ka ramdang lami mi po ma hain kan nang po rang akal thakan samsak hai nang mana du zon run froi ram ha ko ram hai ko anum nak ke atlong kai nak se an to nak se nang man hon pet lai tuan si se thena kan tla kan cham sak se tha jing kan lo tok la me america lam kan lo kan khom kan lo thang that ka kal tha sim chu nang an pi ram ko nang mana thiang thim thena kan lo ap tu zan kan program po ma nei num pi kan thei kan long oi na fa boi su prin se kan lo thang that thla kan cham kan ba thian
amen kini lom tu za kan zau tu vel tin an chung lam na tam pi kan nei ma le zong ni tong than tin halai kan dau thlen na chu kan tel han lo kan dau hau kan dau lo se chen ti hin kap chau za tanga kan lang mang ko lai cha chen tai na kan hul han lo ten rual ti cham na khang ngai cha chu ba chang chiu lang mang dingin ka vun in som na za pi za ni tong than tin halai bye bye